This is a brand new 2012 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include 10 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, a push-button ignition, external temperature display, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a four-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and a rear spoiler. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Garber Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3380 Highway 17 in Green Cove Springs.